Ever dreamt of revolutionizing your online digital marketing? Well, the time is now. Get ready to embark on a journey that will transform your digital strategies and set you apart from the competition. Here are the top 10 tips to conquer the digital marketing world. First, understand your audience. Dive deep into their likes, dislikes, and online behavior. Analyze their activities, understand their needs, and tailor your messages accordingly. Remember, the key to effective marketing lies in understanding your audience. Second, focus on content. Quality content is the backbone of digital marketing. It engages, informs, and persuades your audience. So create content that is relevant, unique, and valuable. Make it a part of your SEO strategy, social media posts, and email marketing. Third, leverage social media. It's a powerful tool that can amplify your marketing efforts. Use it to engage with your audience, share your content, and build a community. But remember, it's not about being present on every platform, but about being active where your audience is. Fourth, embrace SEO. It's not just about keywords, but about providing valuable content that search engines will love. Optimize your website, blog posts, and social media profiles. Remember, when SEO is done right, it can drive organic traffic to your site. Fifth, master email marketing. It's a personal way to reach your audience and build relationships. Create compelling subject lines, personalize your messages, and provide value. Remember, email marketing is about nurturing relationships, not just selling. Sixth, use analytics. It's crucial to track your efforts and measure your success. Use tools like Google Analytics to gain insights into your audience, track your performance, and refine your strategies. Seventh, incorporate video marketing. Engage your audience with videos that tell a story, solve a problem, or entertain. Remember, videos can increase engagement, boost conversions, and improve SEO. Eighth, experiment with influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers who resonate with your brand and audience. It can increase your reach, build trust, and drive engagement. Ninth, focus on mobile marketing. With more people accessing the internet on their mobile devices, ensure your website, emails, and content are mobile-friendly. And finally, always be adaptable. The digital world is constantly changing. Stay updated with the latest trends, learn new skills, and be ready to adapt your strategies. There you have it, the top 10 tips to revolutionize your online digital marketing. Embrace these strategies and watch your digital marketing efforts soar to new heights.